I was recently gifted some beautiful homegrown tomatoes, homegrown back in Louisiana. And they are so good. So I want to be sure and save some of the seeds from these tomatoes. So the question is, can you save seeds from rotten tomatoes? And the answer is, yes, you can. Just because a tomato has rotted does not mean that the seeds will not still be good. So what I'm going to do, it's kind of yucky, and I like to work on a brown paper bag because there's very little mess that'll get through, and it's easy cleanup. So what I'm going to do is just cut into these and scrape out the sections of seeds. Now it's best when you're saving seeds, and I'm sure you know this, to save heirloom seeds. Because the heirloom seeds, you can count on getting the same type tomato when you grow plants from these seeds as the parent plant. Now with the hybrids, that's not the case. You don't know just what you're going to get when you save the hybrid seeds. I try to always buy heirloom tomatoes, tomato plants. I'm shopping for my plants in the spring. And get all the seeds that I can. Even though I usually plant only a half dozen to a dozen plants, I still want to be sure that I have enough seeds. I'm going to scoop these seeds. Try to get rid of all the pulp I can around them, but then I scoop what's left. And I'm going to rinse these. Now I'm going to take these rinsed seeds and tap them out onto a dry paper towel. Kind of spread them out. During this process, you can get rid of some of the other pulp. Now I'm going to let these sit somewhere to dry for a few days until they're completely dry. And we'll see what these look like in 3 or 4 days. A few days ago, I had taken a couple of tomatoes that had gone bad, and I scooped the seeds out of them and put them on a paper towel to dry. And they appear to be dry now. And this way I can get rid of some of the pulp that was left that I wasn't able to separate at the time because everything was wet. So now I'm separating the seeds from the few pieces of pulp that are remaining, and I'm putting them on another paper towel, a clean paper towel. Alright, I've gotten rid of just about all of the tomato pulp, and now I'm going to put the seeds back up on the shelf and leave them a couple more days to make sure they've dried completely. So now our tomato seeds are completely dry, so we can put them into any kind of container that we want. We just need to be sure that we label the container. I'm going to put these down into this baggie. And I'm going to label it June of 2024. Put Marion tomatoes. And put that in the freezer. And then next spring, when I'm starting my new plants, I can pull this out and plant those seeds. Thanks for stopping by.